Gemini. Knock knock Gemini. So, welcome po sa Scorp's Work Tarot. Yes. So, magandang umaga, tanghali, gabi, kung nasaan man po tayong lugar sa daigdig. Yes. So, welcome po. Shout out po ako sa OFW. OFW, shout out. So, ingat po tayo. So, sa mga bago po sa aking channel, OFW din po ako, kaya I want to connect sorry, with fellow OFW. Alam ko po yung pinagdadaanan yan. So, kahit na hindi OFW, welcome din po sa channel ko. So, okay. This reading, bonus reading for November 2025. Yeah? So, Gemini. So, bigyan ko ng bonus reading, everybody, for what to expect. And also, tingnan natin yung blind spot ni Gemini, November 2025. So, what do you need to know? Okay? Yun yung mga hidden energy, okay, na hindi mo alam at hindi rin alam ng tao surrounding you, okay? So, but may impact yon, the way we decide and also the way we think. So, tignan natin, ano ang blind spot? Ano ang blind spot ni Gemini? November 2025, bonus reading, okay? So, magkape-kape po tayo. So, if nag-resonate, shout out po. Kung hindi, huwag pong pilitin. Yes? So, enjoy lang po tayo. Enjoy lang po tayo. So, Gemini, bonus reading November 2025. Let's see, what do you need to know? What do you need to know? Oh, blah, blah, blah. What do you need to know, Gemini? Bonus reading. Bonus reading November 2025. So, hope everybody's okay. Okay, so, page of 1. Intuitive, curious mind, look adventurous, anything related to that, yung younger Gemini na irresponsible. Well, not really irresponsible. Basta yung mentality natin nung bata tayo. Walang stress, wala tayong iniisip. We just want to go for our own little adventure. Yeah? Makipagchismisa, makipagbiruan, makipagkwentuhan, talks about your plan, your dream, growing up. Yeah? Okay? Meron bang ganyan, Gemini? Okay, tingnan natin. What Gemini needs to know. Okay? Bigyan mo ako ng message. Okay? Okay? Meron bang nag-flip? I don't see. Okay. Tuloy natin. Yes. Oh. Fighting. Okay? Keep on I'm not hindi to something na yung mga winning moments na you thought you win pero deep inside superficial. Yeah? Okay? Yung mga skin deep type of winning. Okay? So ayan ka, you're looking to the direction noong why you starting to ask question, is this something na gusto ko? Okay? Or gusto kong ma-achieve? Na you're starting to ask question, parang hindi ito yata yung direction na pinangarap ko. Okay? Because yung younger Gemini, the young Gemini is looking on another direction. Okay? Yeah? So, what's the things that you need to know? Anong message ka, Gemini? November 2025. Bonus reading. Tignan natin ang message kay Gemini. What do you need to know? Okay, wait. Okay, ayaw bumigay nitong card na ito. Lipat tayo dito. Okay, tignan natin. What people know about you at what you know that people doesn't know. Yeah? Tignan natin yung blind spot. Tignan natin yung blind spot ni Gemini. Okay? Tignan natin yung blind spot. Okay. Spirit. Okay. Ano ang message for Gemini? Special reading that he needs to know. Okay? In 3D world, I think this is all only happening in your mind. Okay? Yung mga daily routine, tuloy pa rin. But you're starting to question yourself, ito ba yung gusto kong gawin? Yeah? Kasi nagkaroon ka ng curiosity, why don't I try that? Yung ganun tipo. Okay? Pero deep inside, you want to get out. Okay? Nagkakaroon ka ng question sa sarili mo na gusto mo nang bumitaw. Gusto mo nang to walk away. It's not serving you anymore. Okay? It's not serving you anymore. Yeah? It's not serving you anymore. Yeah? Okay? And you've been doing that, fighting, day in, day out, and you've been very, very patient. Kung ano man tong ini-strategize mo, kung ano man yung ginagawa mo in your daily grind. Meron bang ganyan? Okay? You want to get out. You want to, hindi na, wala nang fulfillment, wala nang emotional connection, wala nang, hindi ka na masaya, totally. Okay? Meron bang ganyan, Gemini? Yeah? And you've been doing that, ini-stretch mo lang yung sarili mo because, ano yan, is it an obligation? Is it something na you are committed to do at wala kang choice? Kaya you keep on doing that repeatedly. Pero deep inside, the people around you is telling you, actually nakikita nila na you're not happy. You are not happy. Okay? You are not happy. So, ano yung Gemini? Ano yung sitwasyon mo na you feel na you're not happy? Yeah, okay. 10 of Cups. You're not really happy. So, the people around you, they know that you're not happy. Pero, you keep on insisting and showing to them na masaya ka sa labas. Pero deep inside, well, maybe some people na, or you don't tell it to other people, alam nila, they can sense that you're not happy around them, sa pagkasama mo sila. Okay? And even your family knows and they can sense that you're not happy. And you just keep on doing things for the sake of doing it. Yeah? And ginagawa mo nito matagal na. When did it started? Yeah? Meron bang ganyan, Gemini? Ano ang dahilan noon? What's causing you to be, pretending? You are pretending. Okay. Meron bang Taurus? Are you dealing with Taurus? Yeah. Okay. So there was a curiosity happen. You are curious to do something na you thought will make you happy. But deep inside, they know na ginagawa mo lang yung sitwasyon na yun. Pumasok sa isang sitwasyon na alam nila na hindi ka rin magiging masaya. But you still continue doing that. Are you in a relationship na sa isang sign another one who has Taurus um, sign or energy. Okay, what is telling here is um, yung energy na you're trying to hide is very obvious and visible sa family. Okay, now you keep on fighting because you want maybe um, yung belief mo at saka yung structure ng paniniwala mo, because you believe na ganun dapat that's the right way for you to do, to sacrifice. Okay? Or si Taurus ang nagsasacrifice to keep things moving. Okay? At deep inside, although you're not happy, but pinanindigan mo na lang yung current situation mo na are you expecting na magbago yung situation mo? Or are you accepted the fact na wala ka na magagawa? Okay? So that's the question. That's your blind spot. Okay? Kung gusto mong to get away, to walk out of that current situation kasi hindi ka masaya, you keep on fighting, you keep on pretending, you keep on, I do not know if you are hoping na magbago yung situation. Okay? You still have that exit strategy, or meron kang way to exit. Yeah? Okay? If you're dealing with Taurus, I think si Taurus yung nagbibigay sa'yo ng motivation or that energy of kung meron kang element ng Taurus, realistic, practical. Pero alam mo rin na how to navigate yung situation mo, hindi easy. Okay? Hindi easy na sasabihin mo na, oh, okay, alis na ako. I don't have any more connection doon sa sitwasyon na kinakalagyan mo. Yes? Okay. Wala. Yun ang nasa isip mo. Okay? They also want you to realize, okay, the people around you na if you're not happy with the present status quo, I think they also want you to be happy and let you to go on your own. Yeah? Yun ang blind spot. Gemini. You just need to tell. You just need to tell. Okay? Alam mo yung yung solution eh. Okay? Alam mo na hindi ganun kadali. Okay? That you have to climb that yun nga that 8 of 1, nandoon yung answer, nandoon yung energy to move forward, nandoon yun ang free, makapagpaparaya sa iyo, makapagpapa-free, okay, makapapakawala to go to that sun. Okay? So that's the sun, yun ang goal mo. Well, actually, you're not really goal, kundi you want to keep on that status quo. Yeah? And you also know kung mag-walk away ka, you're gonna exit on your situation kasi nga hindi ka masaya. There's a lot of things that you need to prepare ahead. Okay? The thing is, are you ready for that situation? Yeah? Kung ano itong pinagdadaanan mo, relationship sa trabaho, sa relationship mo sa spouse mo, sa kaibigan mo, sa friend mo, okay? You are pretending to be happy. You are not really happy. You keep on fighting just to keep that status quo. And alam ng surroundings mo na you're not happy. And also they want you to go but you don't want to go. You don't want to go. Okay? You don't want to go. Now, si Taurus, or meron kang element na ganyan, alam mo na it's not easy to go. Okay? And that's something that you need to understand that deep inside you, okay, meron kang lakas ng loob na na itinatago at kakayahan to move forward and walk away if you want to. Yes? Okay? So you keep on it's not delaying, you're stretching. Yeah, alam mo yung meron tayong mga minsan ninanamnam natin yung yung pain, yung may pagkasadista ka yata. Okay? Alam mo na hindi ka masaya pero you're not hopeless and you just want to feel hopeless. Meron bang ganyan, Gemini? You just want to feel hopeless. Okay? Now, if you want to make a decision, alam kong it's not that easy, pero alam mo na it will take time. Okay? So, you just need to prepare. And this is one thing na hindi mo alam, you have that patience and perseverance to get away from that situation of feeling mo you are stuck. Okay? You're not happy ang foundation mo in terms of emotional connection. It's gone already. Okay? Yes? Meron ba ganyan, Gemini? So, your blind spot mo is, if you want to move, okay, yes, there's no problem. You have it inside you. You are glowing. You are glowing with that energy. With that energy of hope, with that energy of yung attitude na lang, okay? You are glowing with that fire. Okay? Yes, you are glowing with that fire. You have that magic wand of inspired action. But napipigilan ka ng structure ng buhay kasi yung belief setting mo rin is very solid na. Halimbawa, simbahan, hindi pinagbabawal ang separation. You know, there's no such thing as separation. Yeah? Structure yan. Yung paniniwala mo sa eskwelahan, kung anong tinuro ng teacher, sinusunod natin. Yeah? Very solid doon. But you have that way out if you want that one. Or, you can pretend to be happy just like it's a normal thing for you. The choice is yours, Gemini. Yeah? So, meron bang ganyan? So, bonus reading for November 2025. That's your blind spot. Okay? Alam nila na hindi ka masaya. But you are pretending. Hindi mo alam yun. Okay? Alam nila. Nakikita. And, I think there may codependence dito. Hindi na ako magpo-pull ng card. But, I can see, alam mo, na you are pretending na hindi na masaya ka. Pero alam nila na you are pretending na hindi ka masaya and nag-iisip ka rin ng umalis, kumawala. Ayaw mong kumawala kasi nga naniniwala ka na somehow ganun dapat. Kailangan mo magtiis. Yeah? But actually, ang blind spot mo is pwede kang umalis kasi ready na rin sila kasi hindi na rin sila masaya or something. So, yung love, maybe nawala sa iyo, pero nandun pa rin yung love nila for you. And that love is overflowing na willing silang to let you go. Okay? And that would happen soon. Kung hindi mo ipupursige yun, okay, they might initiate that situation. Okay? Kasi sila din ay willing silang to go up on that one to that stage of, yung proseso ng pagse-separate, paghihiwalay. It's not easy. Pero handa na rin sila doon. Kasi it's a dynamics ng relationship. It's no longer working. Yeah. O meron bang ganyan? Shout out po tayo kung merong naka-resonate. Kung hindi po, and sa susunod po, enjoy lang tayo. So, kuha tayo ng last message. Moon Oracle for Gemini. So, tignan natin. Bonus reading to sa November 2025. So, yung blind spot mo, Gemini. Okay. Dalawa. Okay. So, tignan natin. Sabi nung cow moon. Okay. I think today is the full moon. What's the name? I think it's Hunter or Beaver moon. So, check ko ulit. The new beginning, okay, or even a new life may be blooming. Yes, okay. Pero hindi yung magbo-bloom unless you initiate and stop pretending that you are happy. So, you have that ability deep inside you're glowing. Alam nila na hindi ka masaya, and then they would also willing to let you go, accept it. Okay. So, isa naman, waning moon. Okay. Let go of that which is causing you inner turmoil. Now is a time for casting away emotions that are no longer serving you. Correct, Gemini? It's no longer serving you. So, lahat tayo, kapag it's no longer serving us, maski na yung simpleng connection with the, yung kinakainan nating madalas na wala nang connection. So, maghahanap na ako ng ibang kakainang restaurant, maski na mura yung paninda, maski na mahal dun sa kabila. There's no more connection. It's no longer serving me. Kasi pareho din naman yung tinitinda nila. Pero hindi masaya yung nagsisilbi. Yeah? So, yeah, bonus reading for November 2025. So, enjoy po. So, see you again sa regular reading natin. Salamat po.